1. Pilots and co-pilots eat different foods. The food packages offered for the pilot and co-pilot are different. This is because if either of them, pilot or co-pilot, suffers from food poisoning, the other person can be in good condition and the flight will not be endangered. 2. The aircraft lavatory door can be easily opened from the outside. There is a hidden key behind the door of the aircraft's lavatories to open the lavatory door from the outside. This key is not to disturb passengers, but because in emergencies when a passenger in the lavatory cannot leave the toilet is not forced to break the lavatory door. 3. Why is smoking on the plane forbidden? One obvious reason to avoid smoking on airplanes is to avoid fire on airplanes. But this is a bit dubious. For many years before smoking was banned, it was possible to smoke on a plane and there was no fire. The main reason for banning smoking on airplanes is for economic reasons. Cigarette smoke causes air purification filters on airplanes to wear out sooner and need to be replaced faster than normal. 4. Why are travelers asked to turn off their cell phones? Using a cell phone does not pose a serious problem for aircraft. But the waves of these phones may cause the aircraft radio to be disrupted and the pilot not to receive vital messages from the watchtower. However, in some cases, the flight crew also ignores the law banning the use of mobile phones. 5. Did you know that the masks on the plane are not connected to any oxygen source? In fact, these masks produce oxygen within themselves through chemical reactions, not by being charged by an external source. When the air pressure in the cabin is disturbed and the masks are released, pulling the mask causes a small explosion inside the storage system of these masks, and by combining sodium chlorate and potassium perchlorate together, the oxygen gas required by passengers is produced. Of course, this oxygen supply lasts up to 15 minutes, and then the pilot must lower the plane to a height where there is oxygen, or passengers must learn in these 15 minutes that it is possible to live without oxygen. So far, do you have had the experience of using an airplane mask?